She's coming, come on. Here's a little video. There you go. Hey. 6 to 6, night market, Sunday. Celebrating life right here. With a beautiful modelo right here. All right. Good job.
Hi everyone, welcome to MadiLicious. I'm Madison, Amara, and today we are at 626 Night Market in Arcadia, California, which is located in Los Angeles County. Now there's a ton of food here, over 200 food establishments here, so I'm excited to show you around, and let's try whatever we can. Lobster Truck, that's what I want. The lobster roll with, I'm gonna get it with the lobster roll with butter. Can I have the lobster roll with butter, please? Thank you. You're welcome. So this is the lobster roll, okay? I got it with some hand-drawn butter. You also had the option to get it with some mayo, but I chose the butter because I like to really taste the lobster, so let's take it and try it. I'm gonna eat it with pork first. Oh my god. That's really good. That is some real true lobster. The butter is just a nice glaze on top. It just adds so well to the lobster. And this toasted bun, can you see it? It is so nice and soft on the inside and toasted on the outside. Take a bite. So here I am getting a dessert from Crummy Cakes, which is based in Ontario, California, and I'm speaking with Lavy, who is telling me about all of their delicious desserts. I decided to go with their gluten-free brownie with some espresso German buttercream, and I give it a huge thumbs up. I even got to meet chef and owner Estrada, who came up with the genius recipe. That is so good. You want to try?
All right, we have a challenge. We're going for the $100 bill.
So I decided to take a break and play some games.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly.
And, well, I didn't end up winning anything, but it's the fun that counts. So I decided to see what other foods I could try before wrapping up the day.
Baby bottle is honestly a great mixture of different ingredients. It's like honestly one of those things where you get to figure out what flavor you want. They have like one chocolate, different fruits.
What's the flavor?
This one is strawberry, watermelon, lemonade with mayonnaise.
What's your name?
Oh, Derrick.
One watermelon and one strawberry lemon. This is the strawberry lemon drink. This is a size small, and all juices are made with all natural fruit. So good. Your banana pudding. What's your name?
Derrick.
Derrick, I'm Madison. Nice to meet you. I'm glad I can try this. I love you. All right, let's give this give this a go. So this is just banana pudding. One of my favorites. Excited to try it. Really good. Great time at 626 Night Market. The event ran until midnight, but I couldn't stay that long. But I'm excited to go again next year and try even more good eats. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!